All right, so you probably should have this already installed. I'm not particular about what text editor you use in order to write your code. Like if you have the Adobe Creative Cloud and you want to use Dreamweaver, you can use Dreamweaver. That's fine. Obviously, it's made for that specifically. But if you have a different one that you like Sublime Text they used to use, I'm going to use Microsoft Visual Studio Code in this class. I would suggest using it. It's just a good, clean text editor. Is what we use in Web Design 1. All you gotta do is just, right on the slide, it's picture in picture right now. If you look to your right there, you'll see where it says Visual Studio Code. Go to that, and then you'll see it right here. You can see download for Windows. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Just what I already downloaded. And there's also Mac, and there's also Linux if you're one of those people. Okay, so just make sure that you installed that. If you do have it already installed, you should if you took this recently as to the Web 1 class. Go ahead and maybe update it as well. The other thing we're going to need is you are going to need the lab materials. Literally, it's just a picture, so you download it. If I open that up, you'll see it's just a single picture. Just open that up, and it's just this guy. There's nothing really all that special about it, but just make sure you open it, and then you're going to have to actually right-click and extract all, and then put it in there. If you're on a Mac, you can just double-click on it, and it will automatically unzip it, which is really kind of superior, I feel like, to PCs. I don't like having to click on extract all. The other thing I do want to make a note of, the other ones were this way as well, is that this slideshow is meant to be worked on in a half screen format, meaning that like if you split your screen up into, like, you have a normal 9:16 or 10:16, depending on the type of monitor, this should respond and look good in a half screen situation. So like you would have this in one screen, and then this would be in your other half. Just scroll down through to it. It's not going to work right now because this isn't actually half screen. This is 720, but I do a lower res, so it fits better on the picture in the video that you're watching. But anyways, this is meant to be half screen. So the idea is you put this in one half, and you put your work and stuff on this other half. Okay, so that way you can kind of look and also work at the same time, instead of having to open it and close it and so on and so forth. All right. So yeah, once that's installed, once you download that image, if you want to use your own image, that's totally fine. I even would prefer it, I would say, because I'm putting in content. But if you want to put your own content in, write your own stuff. It's actually better for me because that way it's funny or whatever you want to do. I get to see who you are. But if you want to just use the pictures that I use and the content that I use, that's fine too. All right. Once that's good to go, you got the software and stuff, just go ahead and go to the next slide.